Okay, so this was scheduled today to have another probable cause conference. How we proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, we'd like to leave this set for preliminary exam.
Was there an offer at this time?
There was an offer, Your Honor, which was rejected. The offer was to amend count 1 to an aggravated DV, and the defendant plead to that under 769.4A, dismissed to arrest, and the defendants rejected it.
Get you an exam date, but you understood that you have the right to have your preliminary examination served within 21 days is the date that you were arraigned? Talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood that you had the right to have your exam within 21 days of your arraignment date, correct?
Yes.
You don't have to say yes if you didn't understand
Well,
that.
I don't understand what that means.
Okay, so your matter is scheduled today
Okay.
for a probable cause conference. When you were arraigned, you were or should have been advised of your right to have a preliminary examination. The purpose of the examination is for the prosecutor to establish if they have sufficient probable cause that the felonies that you have been charged with were actually committed, and then probable cause sufficient to charge you as the person who committed those felonies. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the right to have that exam within 21 days of the date that you're arraigned.
Okay.
You were arraigned on the 26th. You understand that? Of
Yes, ma'am.
April.
Yes, ma'am.
And so your matter was set for examination today. And so we would now have to go beyond the 21-day timeline to reset that. Are you willing to waive the time?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. June 25th at 10:30. June 25th at 10:30 is your new date, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions for the court?
My daughter will be graduating from nursing school on the 27th, and that's in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I say I'm from Mississippi, and I would like to know if I could go to that.
Okay, what day would you be needing to leave then? You wouldn't be here on the 25th then, is what you're saying?
No, it's of this month, Judge.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm sorry.
27th of this month. So you're gonna go to Baton Rouge, Louisiana when?
No, I would have to leave like on the 26th because it's like a 14-hour drive.
Oh, you're gonna drive.
Yes, ma'am.
When will you return?
Probably 30th or something like that.
I'm gonna put May 25th through the 30th that you'll be traveling.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll contact your attorney and check with pretrial services when you return. Any additional matters for the
Nothing from the people, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Oh, can I supposed to have some mail? I'm sorry. I'm
You're
I
fine.
sent you off a notice.
Okay.
Didn't include it in there.
I'm supposed to have some mail coming to 1016 Gordon Avenue was Saturday. How can I go by and get my mail or with the police officer or
You have mail going to the address of the alleged incident, you're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's 1016 Gordon, and you want to go with a police officer to get your mail?
Yes, somebody. Yes, ma'am.
Good luck getting the peace officer to take you. I have no problem with granting that, to the extent that they have the ability to do that.
Or someone else.
Who is the someone else?
Jesse. We got it. Jesse.
Who is Jesse?
He cuts my hair.
So you can send a third party is what you're saying to go
Yes,
get your
ma'am. I
mail?
can send a third party. Yes, ma'am. Or I could get the Pastor Cager. Say that, Pastor Cager. Elder Cager.
Elder Cager?
Yes, ma'am. I can get him.
What's Elder Cager's first name? Do you know? That's fine. I'll put Elder Cager is allowed to go and pick up your mail. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing from the people.
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. You're all set.
Yeah. I made your mind now. Back to I got to make your pocket. You just have to.
Okay, State of Michigan versus Terrell Johnson, 26-01112. But not with a stocking cap on your head.
It's for religious purposes, yeah.
A stocking cap for religious purposes?
Yeah.
What religion requires you to wear? No, it doesn't, not a stocking cap. You have to have something on your head, but not a stocking cap. You can't play with me.
No, I'm not playing.
No, you can take that off your head.
Okay.
If you're gonna come in here with something you have for religious purposes, you're gonna get the appropriate adornments.
Okay.
Okay. Today was scheduled for a preliminary examination. How are we proceeding?
I believe it's going to be an unconditional waiver to circuit court. Your Honor, there is an offer, I believe, is to
Plead to count one, with dismiss count two. The people, believe that is their agreement. The people unconditionally waive their right to a preliminary examination in this matter.
Okay, and then Mr. Terrell Johnson, you understand that you have the right to have a preliminary examination here in the district court.
Yeah.
And you understand the purpose of the preliminary examination is to require the prosecution establish they have sufficient probable cause that a felony was committed, and then probable cause sufficient to charge you as the person who committed the felony.
Yeah.
And you wish to unconditionally waive that right today?
Yeah.
Anyone threatening you to do so?
Yeah.
Any promises extended to you to get you to waive your exam? Your bind over date. It's going to be the 28th of May. That's the date that the circuit court's receiving this file, not a date that you need to appear in the circuit court. You understand that? Your next court date will be a pre-trial in the circuit court. Your attorney will be made aware that you stay in contact with your attorney. Do you have any questions at this time? Bond was set at $4,500. I believe this is a personal recognizance. Let's say we'll write it on. Yes, personal recognizance. Again, I'm going to remind you, if this is in fact a sincerely held belief, you need to get appropriate attire. You can't come to court with a durag on your head and say it's for a religious reason. You can't come with a stocking cap or a baseball cap and say it's for religious reasons. Okay, I'm very familiar what the requirements are for Muslims during their practice, and it's not a stocking cap. You understand that? Do you understand that? Bond will continue. Any additional matters for
Not
the
from the people, Your Honor.
no, Your Honor.
You're all set. This is the matter of the state of Michigan versus James Nikolosevich, 25-03665. Appearance, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court, prosecuting attorney Dan Smith here on behalf of people.
And thank you, Your Honor, and good morning. Jared Austin appearing on behalf of Mr. Nikolosevich. He stands present to my right.
Okay, let's see. This is scheduled today for preliminary examination for controlled substance delivery manufacturing of methamphetamine, controlled substance delivery manufacturing cocaine, and well, there's 2 counts of that. And my understanding is there's going to be an unconditional waiver. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
That is my understanding as well, Your Honor. There would be a pending offer to be placed on the record.
Okay, I had an offer there. Dismiss count 1. Is it changed?
No, it's the same, Your Honor.
Okay, so you understand, Mr. Nikolosevich, your right to have a preliminary examination on these felony charges?
Yes.
And so you have the right to require that the prosecution establish sufficient probable cause was committed in each count, and then sufficient probable cause to charge you as the person who allegedly committed those counts. You understand that?
Yeah.
Is anyone threatening you or promising you anything to get you to waive your exam? You're waiving it freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
Your bind over date is going to be May 27th. That's the date the circuit court's going to receive the file from the district court, not a date that you need to appear in the circuit court, okay? Okay? Your next court date will be a pre-trial. Your attorney will be made aware of your next court date. You stay in contact with them. Do you have any questions at this time? Does he have another medicine?
He does not.
Okay. Let's see. Yes. I'm just trying to understand the note from the magistrate.
Well,
Never caught this. I don't know what that means. Okay. Yeah, does he have another case? I'm confused.
well,
Okay.
and I will maybe retract that a little bit. I believe we may have some holds from some other jurisdictions for child support. Is that correct?
Okay.
Okay, so that's, I don't think he has any other pending criminal matters anywhere that I'm aware of, Your Honor. But
Oh,
I
I
think he may
think I
have some
understand the
holds.
note, probably because it was issued on a summons and he didn't appear, so that was probably what that note meant, that he didn't catch the other case, that's probably what it was.
But I believe he may have some holds for child support, but I don't believe he has any other pending criminal cases anywhere.
Okay, bond is 3,010%, that will continue. Any additional matters for the record?
Another from the people, Your Honor.
Not at this time, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're all set, thank you. What's that?